Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can get mobile builds on PC Fortnite. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. First of all, open the Fortnite game on your PC and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, you will be on the home page of your account. Now go to the settings of your account. You can do that by clicking on your profile icon at the top right corner of your screen and then selecting the gear cog icon. Now make sure that the rendering feature has performance lower graphics features selected if it isn't selected, as it will help in boosting the FPS. After that, go to the brightness section and it is 100 by default, so increase it all the way to 150. Once done, go to color blindness mode and change it to Tridanope. After that, navigate to the color blindness section and increase its strength to max. At last, change the post-processing to low and you are done. Now, if you try to play the game, you will experience some noticeable boost and it will make your gameplay much smoother. So that's basically how you can get mobile builds on PC Fortnite. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.